what was the problem that you were having before you came into our office?
Okay, I was struggling with lower back pain. I didn't know exactly what to call it. I just knew it hurt really badly, and it was getting to the point where I couldn't even sleep at night. It was affecting all my daily life activities, and I was just struggling.
Yeah, of course. And back pain, I always say, is the most annoying pain to have too, because
It
it's
just
always there.
wasn't going away. I knew I had to do something.
Yes, good. Okay, and how did the problem affect like your day-to-day life? What was it affecting you doing, like household things, like work, and just your normal?
Just pretty much everything. There wasn't really a comfortable position anymore, whether I was sleeping, whether I was sitting at home, whether I was trying to do any daily activities.
Yeah.
It just wasn't going away.
Okay, so
That's when I knew I had to do something, because it was just getting intolerable to go about my
do
day.
anything, of course. Okay. And what type of treatment did you receive in the office, and how did it help you?
Okay, so I came because I had gone to a traditional doctor and an orthopedist, and it was getting to where they were going to start doing epidurals and getting into like, do you need surgery and that sort of thing. And I just wanted to explore my options.
Okay.
And so I came across Vitality Medical Group and decided to give them a shot because it was just something that I thought was worth looking into based on some information I was reading about what they did.
Awesome.
So I made an appointment and I met with Sue, and she kind of informed me about like, you know, what you guys did here. And I decided to go ahead and try it. And so I really had nothing to lose, in my opinion, at that point, and everything to gain. So I did just start with decompression, trigger point injections, chiropractic adjustments, and some laser therapy.
Okay.
So I figured if I was going to do it, I would just do the whole program that they recommended, and you know, to try to get the best results.
Of course. And when you started doing all of this stuff, when did you notice, like how long into starting the treatment did you notice that you started to feel a little bit better?
A little bit right away, because of some of the therapies did have some immediate results, but it really has been a little bit of a journey. I've probably been coming here a little over a year, almost a year and a half, but at this point I'm kind of on the maintenance. I'm getting into just like going every 2 weeks, hopefully once a month in the near future, just for maintenance.
Okay.
And I would definitely keep that going, because I don't want to lose everything that I've worked so hard to achieve.
Exactly. And then when you came in, when you had that pain, what would you say the number was at on a scale of 1 to 10? How advanced was your pain when you started coming to it?
Right. You could probably see from whatever I wrote on my records, but I believe I would say it was more like around a 7.
Okay, so
it was up there. I just knew it wasn't like I couldn't deal with the pain at all. It wasn't like crazy, you know, horrible, but I just was trying to avoid getting any worse because it was bad enough. Yeah. And I was scared about what a 9 or whatever would look like, and I just didn't want to go there.
You're not trying to get to that point.
Yes, I was trying to go the other way. Yeah.
Okay. And then now that you're doing it every like couple of weeks, that you're just coming in for maintenance and stuff like that, when you come in, what would you say your pain level's at now?
I've been down as low as a 1-2.
Okay.
I think I'm still like a 2-3. Okay. By the time the 2 weeks passes, I'm usually happy to come get my adjustment, and then it usually goes back down to like a 1-2. So I'm still they're just fine tuning it.
Okay,
yeah.
Perfect.